What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are back on the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT, and the goal for this video is to get the engine bay all welded up and painted. That way we can install the engine and start putting this thing back together. As most of you already know, we did replace the entire frame rail all the way to the firewall on this Jeep. As you guys can see, we have all these spot welds here that need to be welded. This gap needs to be closed up a little bit, and this bracing section must be welded on right there. So let's get to work. There you go, guys. There's a good example as to why you should always remove anything that might catch on fire. We've got the engine bay ready to paint, and Paul helped me mask it off before he left. We've got the water on the floor, you know, to minimize all the dust. I've got my base coat right here. And guys, it's looking really good. I can't wait to shoot some color on this thing. What I need to do now is I need to go over everything with a tack rag just to minimize the trash. I know there's probably going to be some trash in it, but that's okay. It's an engine bay. Nobody's going to care about little nibs under the hood. Got the base coat laid down and everything is looking very good. I was kind of worried at first because it was looking kind of green, but that's just how black is. Black is a poor hider, and everything looks really good. Now we are ready for the clear coat. I have the clear coat all mixed up, and Cat just came back. Cat, you're gonna have to go. You out, bud. He doesn't like the cleanness. Cat never likes it when I wash the floor. What do you think about the fan? You like that operation, don't you? Go out the back door. You can go out the back door over here, buddy. Get out of here. Just like that, the engine bay is painted. The only thing I need to paint now is to add the little bit of green that goes right there and make it match the other side. But other than that, it looks very good. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I got a couple of little specks of trash in it here and there, but it's okay. You won't see any of that. But it's going to be a very nice looking engine bay. I love a glossy engine bay. You can keep it clean. It just looks good when you clean the engine up and you clean everything up. Everything looks brand new. It just looks nice. These Mopars, they come with like a flat, like a mat underneath, and I don't like it because it gets dirty and then you can't clean it. So I'm going to allow this thing to sit up for a couple of days and make sure that the clear coat cures and gets nice and hard, and then we will install the engine. The engine is right here, and she's a big old 6'4" Hemi with a all-wheel drive system, so it's going to be a toughie. I'm gonna have to put that engine onto that cradle and then take that cradle and jack it up and install it right here into this engine bay. And then we need to install all the little components and everything else, and then the front end, and she will be done. And I cannot wait to get this thing all done, because a lot of people are saying that, oh, you'll never get it done. There was this one guy on a forum that was saying that I wouldn't be able to do it, but it's all good. We about to see. Huh? You're right. Huh? You're right. It looks good, don't it?
Huge.
Beautiful.
Like better, like brand new from factory.
Yes, sir. That's better than factory. Factory is dull.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Factory never doing this.
Nope.
Like this.
Nope. Now I just need to let it dry for like 2 days, 3 days, and ooh.
What is it?
That was an explosion.
It's tires.
Somebody blew a tire?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna wait 2-3 days, let everything get nice and hard, and then put the motor back.
That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and stay tuned, guys. The next video, well, it may not be the next video. I don't know which video is gonna be. You guys know me, I'm all over the place. I will be putting the engine back into the Jeep, so I'm super excited. It's been a long time coming. This thing's been beating me up for a while now, and having the engine back in is going to be a huge milestone. And once we get the engine back in, everything else is just gonna be easy. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. And also, we may have a lead on a frame for the G-Wagon, so stay tuned for that. We might have a cab swap video on the G-Wagon coming soon. Hopefully. Look at that thing. She's all lonely with all the junk in the corner with the junk. Man, that ain't good. She needs a pick-me-up. Oh, who is that? Hello. Hello, mate. You know what to do. We got him. We got him, Kutsa. Get him. Get him, Kutsa. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. Get. Don't let him go. Don't let him bite you either. I ain't raised no punk. Get him. He's right here. Right here. Cat. You let him go. Get him. Get him. Ah. You disrespect the family. He's gone. Stand down.